Welcome to 1016 Matchingham Drive. This awesome 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a covered front porch, 1-car garage, laminate hardwood flooring, and granite countertops inside is located in the Travers Park subdivision in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-77 and I-20, Fort Jackson, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we are out front. The home does sit on a cul-de-sac street. You have sidewalks on this side of the road as well. You have a 2-car wide driveway with a 1-car garage and a covered front porch here as you enter. We'll go ahead and take a look inside. So adjust the light for you there. So inside you notice the laminate vinyl plank flooring throughout the downstairs. So you have a living room off the entry, opens up into a dining room, sort of an open floor plan layout, and clear view to the kitchen as well. The dining area would sort of be in this area here. You do have bar counter seating at the kitchen counter there as well. On this side there is a half bathroom, pedestal sink, and commode. Nice neutral paint throughout as well. The kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances and white cabinets. You have a side-by-side refrigerator, dishwasher, above range microwave, and a smooth top electric stove. And then access to the backyard is here. Go out this door and you have a covered patio out back, which is nice as well, and then some additional patio space. It's uncovered, no fencing out back. You do back up to what looks like a wooded area as of the time of this video, but that may change in the future. The neighborhood is still under development while this is being made. And then you continue down the little hall off the back of the kitchen. You have a window out to that patio here. On the left side, you have your laundry room, full-size washer and dryer connections. There's a shelf above and a window there. Recessed lighting throughout much of the downstairs as well. You do have a nice large storage closet or pantry. Yeah, that shelving goes back behind the doors on both sides. And then access to the garage is here as well. You have the stairs going up to the second level where the bedrooms are. But we'll take a quick look at the garage. You do have a vehicle parked in here right now. It's a small or medium-sized SUV to give you an idea of space. But 1-car garage. No opener in here as of right now. And then we'll continue up the stairs. You have carpeting starting on the stairs. And when you get up to the second level landing, you have 2 bedrooms sort of straight in front of you. On the opposite side, there is a linen closet. So 2 bedrooms in the home, they each have their own bathroom, a full bathroom. So you can see a single vanity, and this one has a walk-in shower with sort of a corner bench seat there. And both of the bedrooms face the front of the property. You can see the closet here, pretty standard size. And then the second bedroom faces the front as well. Roughly similar size closet. This one may be a little bit bigger. And then you do have the full bathroom here also. You have a shower and tub in this one. And the same single vanity. So the major difference is the other room has only a shower. This one has a shower and tub and the attached bath. So that completes our tour of this home at 1016 Matchingham Drive in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.